product though. So we need a kind of product here. We need to change it. So I'm going to do a conversion. I'm going to say that's x to the -2. It's not a conversion, it's just a rewrite, I suppose.
Yeah,
With respect to x.
that's a product.
Okay, so maybe some people don't see that as a product, but now it's a product. So I call one u and one dv, and this is where perhaps that you may go down the wrong route first.
Put x as v.
X is v. X is v.
Well, x
No, put one of the two. Yeah, so I went down the wrong way when I did it first. I called u this one.
Yeah, you would
Yeah.
put it as, you can notice it pretty quick.
Yeah, you get it almost straight away, because if you do that, you're not reducing, nothing's getting closer to a constant or anything, yeah. So I am going to choose ln x squared as my u and my dv. So if you're not sure, just try it the other way, and it starts to get even messier than this way.
Ln x, you want to try and integrate ln x?
Yes, you don't. Well, yeah, there's loads of things you don't want to do.
Yeah.
So that's when I put that there, and I went, no, I don't want to do that. No, thank you.
Wait,
All
is
right.
it 2 ln x times 1 by x or 2 ln x plus 1 by x?
I don't know what you're saying.
Take your steps.
Right, so I'm going to derive that. Oh, that's what you're asking? Oh, yeah, you're getting ahead of yourself. So chain rule, multiply down by 2, ln x to the power of 1 by the derivative of inside, which is 1 over x. So that's just going to be over x.
Over.
So it's the derivative of ln x is 1 over x.
Oh wait, so it is multiplied by 1
The integral, if I go back this way, of that is, well, add 1 to the power and divide down by 1. So it's actually minus x to the -1. Okay. So I've integrated. Now I'm going to rewrite this. U is ln x squared. V is over x. That's just negative. So if I want to rewrite, that's -1 over x. So that's where that comes from. Minus the integral of v, which is -1 over x again. So I'll just leave that as minus that. And du is somewhere here. 2 ln x over x dx. All right, so not that nice. Let's bring some stuff out that I don't like. Ln x, I've rewritten this again, but now the minus, and the 2, I'm going to bring all outside because they're just going to be multipliers. So plus 2, and this x is power -1 times this, which is going to be over x squared ln x. All right, so I've tidied it up a little bit, which is very similar to the start here, except for we're 1 power down on the squared, so hopefully the next time around. So we're going to have to do it again, integration by parts again. I don't know. So take another side note. Yes, we've learned our lesson. We're going to use ln x again.
That's minus ln x squared over 2. Oh, yes, that is.
Okay. So u is ln x, and dv is x to the -2 again, which I know gives me an integral of -1 over x again. And the derivative this time is looking a bit nicer. Derive going this way, integrate going that way. Derivative of that is 1 over x, isn't it? Sweet. Right. So this hasn't changed in front. What I'm doing is my second integration by parts. 2 times, and put it all in a bracket. I'm going to use this formula again and change my pen for the 3rd time. I need to start throwing away these pens. Okay. So uv again, so u is ln x. This is 1 over x, that's negative ln x over x. No, this is just by parts twice.
Minus by parts twice.
Yeah. Now minus, so we're at this stage. Another integration, v du. So v is -1 over x. and du is also 1 over x, but not minus, with respect to x. So I need to integrate that again.
But this time you don't have to integrate by parts on that side. Wait, how'd you get d? Oh, that's du. Sorry. Oh,
Yeah.
So close that bracket. Is that dv or dx?
Can I close that bracket? I sure can, yeah.
Still managed to get to the answer.
Okay, right. Let's multiply out and do this integration all at once. I'll rewrite this just because we can. That's all squared plus, oh, no, wait. Minus 2 ln x over x. Minus plus minus plus. 1 over x squared is 1 over, so it's minus 1 over, so it's this again.
It's 1 over x. Does it become minus 1 over x, I think?
So this is 1, let's just get it right. 1 over x squared becomes x to the minus 2, add 1 to the power, minus 1 over, so it's what we have, but it's minus 1 over x again.
So it becomes minus 1 over x.
And that was minus, and that's minus again. So that's a third minus in the row. So minus 1 over x, and then plus a c here at the end.
And it's done.
Yep.